Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Starting with my favorite project, I will be using 4 of these Dollar Tree signs, which are beautiful already. So I'm not going to do much to these besides removing the bead hanger with this stapler remover that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to add some sawtooth hooks to the back. So for each frame, I will be adding a letter, and I got the H, the M, and the E from Walmart. Dollar Tree does carry letters that you can use. For the O, I will be making a wreath. So now I'm going to paint the letters. I did start with an acrylic paint, but it was too sheer, so I switched it up to the Waverly chalk paint in the color white. To make the wreath, I will be using this wire jute twine from the Dollar Tree and some of this greenery from Walmart. And now that I'm done with the wreath, I will be gluing the letters to the signs. As you can see, I didn't paint the frames or the inside of the sign because they're already pretty as is. The last thing I will be doing is adding a little bow that I made using this burlap ribbon from Walmart. And that is it for this beautiful high-end large home decor sign. Now these can be used 3 different ways: vertical, horizontal, or in a square. For my next project, I will be making some sconces. Now from Dollar Tree, I'm using 2 of the wood boxes and 2 of these window picture frames. Now I'm going to start by removing the back and the little clip out of these picture frames. I thought of painting the entire boxes black, but then I decided that I wanted some of the natural wood color to be in the boxes. So I'm only painting the middle stripe or the middle piece of the boxes, and I'm going to paint the sides and the bottom of the boxes. When I removed the little front clip from the frames, it left like a little hole in there, so I am going to paint over that, and I am going to make a little bit of the windows a little bit darker. Once the boxes are dry, I'm going to just glue them to the window. To decorate the windows a little more, I will be adding some tiny bows and also to cover the holes that the clips left on the windows. And that is it. The best part is that you can use these all year round just by switching the greenery. I will be using this greenery that I got from Walmart. For my next project, I will be using these Dollar Tree wall shelf set. These wood letters. Now, I got these from Michael's. They were on sale when I got them, so I did get them a little bit under $1 because they are from Halloween. And 2 bamboo sticks. Those I got from Amazon. I'll have the link down in the description box in case you want to check them out. So now I'm going to start by gluing these together using some hot glue. Then I'm going to paint the bamboo sticks using some black paint. This pack has a blessed, grateful, and thankful sign. I'm using the bless, and I'm going to paint it using some black paint. Once the bamboo sticks were dry, I glued them on top of the holes. This also helped cover the holes. Then I glued the bless sign in the center. I added a sawtooth hook to the back, and that is it. Look how beautiful and high-end this decor sign turned out. And that is it for these beautiful high-end Dollar Tree home decor DIYs. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.